Students, now we are in the last video lecture of our Unit 2 Engineering Ethics. So, in this engineering ethics, we have to understand first what is engineering, what is ethics, what is engineering ethics. So, we have to understand the difference between these two. So, in this first unit, we have discussed moral value, ethics, integrity, work ethics, service learning, civic virtue, respect of others, living peacefully, etc. We have completed in the first unit. Second unit, we have discussed about the various theories that should be followed in the organization for getting the efficient output. Actually, we are going to study these topics in this is the student should be able to apply ethics in society, discuss and ethical issues relation to the engineering and realize the responsibilities and right in the society. So the students should know or making the awareness about the engineering ethics, human values to instill moral and social values and to appreciate the right of others. So the students should be able to apply ethics in society, discuss the ethical issues related to engineering and realize the responsibilities and right in the society. In engineering ethics, we have discussed about the various theories related to the ethics. We have to understand the exact meaning of these words used in this engineering ethics or professional ethics in engineering. So each and every word utilized in this discussion should be clearly understanding the basic need of the year. Actually, the student should study this course because by understanding the meaning of the any word based on the clear idea about the word, then only he can make decision whether it is to be continued or not. Gillen theory, consensual controversial theory, model of professional roles, theories about the right action, self-interest, or the some of the topic that we have to discuss to understand clearly about the um, activities. The right approach to ethics has the root in the 18th century philosopher. The right to access the truth. We have to right to be told the truth and to be informed. Human right issues are explained in two forms, namely liberty right and the welfare right. Liberty right rights to exercise one's liberty and stresses on the other people. The four features beneficiary to previous activities. Rights are natural insofar as they are not invented and created by the government. They are universal, invented by the government. The virtue theory emphasizes on the character rather than the right of one. So the tabulation shows the various for the same category how the peoples are working based on their definitions. That is theory deviations. Justice theory, fairness theory can be ancient Greek philosopher. That equal should be treated equally and unique inequality. The basic moral question in the approach is how far an action does it treat everyone in the same way or does it show favorism and discrimination? Self-realization risk. Right action consists in self-fulfillment. In one of the theory, the self to be realized in defined by carrying the relationship with the individuals and the society. So in another version called ethical egoism, the right action consists in always promoting what is good for oneself. No caring. Self-interest being good and acceptable to oneself. It is pursuing what is good for oneself. It is very ethical to possess self-interest. As per the utilization theory, the interest should be provided for the respect of others also. There is a strong psychological link between the moral and religious belief of people following various religious and faith, religious support and moral responsibilities. They have to set the high standards faith in the region. Each religion lays So with this reference of these website addresses and the ebook references, you can go through this and for easily understand the importance of engineering ethics in the engineering field or manufacturing field or any organization. Any questions can be raised on the second unit, engineering ethics. So in the engineering ethics, we have discussed about the what is engineering ethics, what are the various theories related to engineering ethics, etc. Any questions can be raised. So with this, we are concluding the second unit, video lecture 5. So from the next class onwards, we will start up the thing, third unit video lecture. Any questions? Okay, we will conclude this